Stop making the same breakfast mistakes every morning. These 5 foods can change everything for you. If your breakfast is missing these foods, you could be setting yourself up for a sluggish, unhealthy day. Breakfast is often considered the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. It sets the tone for the rest of your morning, providing you with the energy and focus you need to tackle your daily tasks. A healthy breakfast can make all the difference in your productivity, mood, and even your overall health. Despite its importance, many of us neglect our breakfast or settle for something unhealthy. But what if I told you there were 5 simple breakfast foods that could change everything? From boosting your energy to supporting your immune system, these 5 options are a game changer. Let's talk about why breakfast is often a challenge for many of us. We're all busy, and it's easy to hit the snooze button and rush out the door without giving our morning meal a second thought. Am I right? I know I'm not the only one who has fallen victim to the convenience of breakfast cereals or skipping breakfast altogether. But the truth is, our bodies need fuel to function, and skipping breakfast can lead to energy crashes, mood swings, and decreased productivity. So what's holding us back from making time for a healthy breakfast? For many of us, it's a lack of time or the perception that healthy breakfast options are complicated or time-consuming. But what if I told you there were ways to make healthy breakfasts quick, easy, and delicious? Would you be interested? The reality is, we're all guilty of making excuses when it comes to breakfast. We're too busy, too tired, or just not hungry in the morning. But the truth is, our bodies are craving nutrition, and neglecting our breakfast can have serious consequences. First up, we have whole grain waffles with fresh berries. This breakfast is a game changer because it's quick, easy, and packed with fiber and antioxidants. Simply top your waffles with fresh berries and a drizzle of honey for a sweet and satisfying breakfast. Whole grain waffles offer a fiber-rich base that keeps you feeling full longer and prevents blood sugar spikes. By choosing whole grains, you're getting more complex carbohydrates, which release energy slowly. The fresh berries add a burst of antioxidants, supporting your immune system and fighting inflammation. Together, this combo is a powerhouse for stable energy and protection against oxidative stress first thing in the morning. Next, we have scrambled eggs with spinach. This protein-packed breakfast is a great way to boost your energy and support your immune system. Simply scramble some eggs, add in some chopped spinach, and serve with whole grain toast for a nutritious breakfast. Scrambled eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, which helps stabilize blood sugar and keeps hunger at bay for hours. The addition of spinach brings in vital nutrients like iron and folate, essential for brain function and blood health. This breakfast is all about providing a nutrient-dense, protein-packed start to help with muscle repair and cognitive clarity. Avocado toast is another breakfast favorite of mine. Toast some whole grain bread, mash up an avocado, and sprinkle with salt and pepper for a healthy dose of healthy fats and fiber. Avocado toast delivers healthy fats in the form of monounsaturated fats, which help support heart health and provide long-lasting energy without blood sugar spikes. Avocados are also loaded with potassium, helping to balance electrolyte levels and reduce bloating. This breakfast is perfect for those looking to nourish their brain and support cardiovascular health while enjoying a creamy, satisfying meal. Greek yogurt with honey and walnuts is another great option. This breakfast is high in protein, fiber, and healthy fats, making it the perfect way to start your day. Simply top your Greek yogurt with some honey and chopped walnuts for a delicious and satisfying breakfast. Greek yogurt offers a high-protein, probiotic-rich option that supports gut health and aids digestion. The natural honey gives a touch of sweetness while providing antioxidants and antimicrobial properties. Walnuts bring in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and boost heart health. This breakfast is a gut-friendly, heart-healthy choice that also supports a balanced microbiome. Last but not least, we have oatmeal with banana and cinnamon. This breakfast is a great way to warm up on a chilly morning and is packed with fiber and antioxidants. Simply cook some oatmeal, add in some sliced banana, and a sprinkle of cinnamon for a delicious and healthy breakfast. Oatmeal is a slow-digesting carbohydrate, perfect for sustained energy and digestive health due to its high fiber content. The banana adds natural sweetness and a dose of potassium, helping with muscle function and preventing cramps. Cinnamon not only enhances the flavor, but also helps regulate blood sugar levels and offers anti-inflammatory benefits. This breakfast provides a comforting, balanced start that supports metabolism and overall well-being. One of the primary benefits of breakfast is its ability to boost energy levels. After a night of fasting, blood sugar levels are typically low, which can lead to feelings of fatigue and lethargy. Consuming breakfast helps restore glucose levels, providing the necessary fuel for both physical and mental activities throughout the day. Studies indicate that those who eat breakfast tend to exhibit increased alertness and improved cognitive function, which is particularly important for students and professionals alike. Another critical aspect of breakfast is its impact on mental performance. Consuming a balanced meal in the morning has been linked to improved memory, concentration, and problem-solving skills. This is particularly evident in children and adolescents, who tend to perform better academically when they eat breakfast regularly. The cognitive benefits extend into adulthood as well, with adults experiencing enhanced focus and productivity at work or school after having their morning meal. A nutritious breakfast isn't just about filling your stomach until lunchtime. It sets the tone for your entire day and has far-reaching effects on your long-term health. When you choose foods like whole grains, high-quality protein, and healthy fats in the morning, you're giving your metabolism a powerful boost right from the start. This helps regulate your blood sugar throughout the day, preventing energy crashes and cravings. Over time, consistently starting your day with balanced, nutrient-dense meals can lead to better hormone regulation, improved digestion, and even more efficient fat metabolism. You're not just nourishing your body for the next few hours. You're also making it easier to maintain a healthy weight and avoid chronic issues like diabetes, heart disease, and digestive disorders. By prioritizing the right foods in the morning, you're investing in your long-term well-being and setting yourself up for success every single day. Let's take a closer look at common breakfast habits that may seem convenient, but can actually work against your body. Many people start their day with sugary cereals or simply a cup of coffee, thinking this will give them a quick boost of energy. And yes, it does, briefly. But here's the issue. Sugary options and caffeine alone create a sharp spike in blood sugar levels, leading to a sudden crash soon after. This crash leaves you feeling tired, irritable, and craving more sugar just to get through the morning. Instead, choosing a balanced breakfast like Greek yogurt with a drizzle of honey and a handful of walnuts can make a world of difference. The protein in the yogurt, combined with the healthy fats from the walnuts, helps stabilize blood sugar levels, providing a slow, steady release of energy. This kind of breakfast not only keeps you satisfied, but also prevents those mid-morning energy dips and cravings. The probiotics in yogurt play a key role in gut health, and there's a growing connection between a healthy gut and a positive mood. When your digestive system is balanced, it can help stabilize your stress levels and improve mental clarity. Healthy fats from walnuts further support brain health, providing omega-3s that enhance cognitive function. Simply put, when your gut is happy, your brain feels the benefits too, setting a calm, focused tone for the rest of your day. By fueling your body with the right nutrients, you're setting yourself up for a day of better focus, stable mood, and fewer temptations to reach for unhealthy snacks later on. You can also check out my other video that talks about what happens when you eat olive oil for 30 days. We want to hear from you. Share your experiences below in the comments below, and like this video. Remember to turn on the notification bell.